Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Heights of 1520 at the Heights, and we're gonna go into their one bedroom and take a look. This is not a fully furnished one bedroom, but it's got a little bit of stuff so you can see it. But this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. You can see just a gorgeous kitchen in here. Very, very nice kitchen. Looks great. It's all of all the white that's here. You got some really cool backsplash that's here. Hey, and you've got gas. Cooking with gas, a very premium feature to have that. I love seeing that. Just got a gorgeous area here to have, I'd say 2 or 3 chairs, so you don't even need a table, and just got a really pretty kitchen. Inside of that, I think you're gonna also find a washer dryer. Yep, it's right there. It's stackable, so it's really cool there. Hey, this has a computer desk. Awesome. All set up for you. This is gonna make it so easy for you to work from home. And this is what it looks like over here in your living room area. The living room area is super nice. Very, very pretty. Just love how this looks. Love the just gorgeous feel here, and love that you have a patio. Let's go on the patio, take a look at it real quick. Yep, okay, so we've got the patio right here. Very, very nice, good size. You can put a couple chairs, a little table out here. This is probably about 10 feet, yeah, about 10 feet long, about 3 feet wide. So really cool. Hey, it's good to see that. And now let's do a part 2. We'll go into the bedroom on the second part. We like to keep our videos really short. Let's do a part 2 right now. If you have any questions, anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And I can set up, by the way, tours of the 1520 at the Heights anytime for you. Just send a text. I can do that virtual or live. Okay, now let's go into the bedrooms and the bath.